So, we're going for a run today. First vlog of the first. And I have a pedal leg. Oh, hello. Lorry drag racer. So I hope you can hear me alright. I'm doing this as a test. Probably do another one, so. I have got a passenger on the back. You can probably hear her giggling. Where we're going. Alright, that's it. So, all that 1, 2, 1, 2. Probably can't hear me over the beast. It's a bit loud. But what can you do? Mighty fine day here in Northern Ireland. But weather forecast has it down to rain. Are we surprised? No. No, we're not. So, I hope this is the start of many. And let's see what happens.